Next question number 4. The length of 40 leaves of plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter. The data obtained in represent the following table. Find the median length of the leaves. Okay. So here you can see 118 to 126. So 127 to 135. So this is not a continuous frequency. Okay, we have to make it to continuous. 18 to 26. After that, not 26 is coming 27. That's okay. So that's why we need to make it to continuous. So what you have to do here, you subtract 0.5 from the first number and you add 0.5 from the second number. Okay, so 118 to 126. So I'll just write it first here. So class, continuous class, frequency, cumulative frequency. So already told you 118 to 126, again not 126, so it's 127, so we have to make it continuous. So what we'll do, subtract 0.5 from 118. So 118 minus 0.5 is 117.5. Okay, again we'll add 0.5, so 126.5. So after that is easy, you can just write it this one, 126.5. then you write this is 135.5. again bring here 135.5, 144.5, again 144.5 to 153.5, again 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, again 171.5 to 180.5. okay, so only the first one if you subtract, after that second one will add it, and if you do continuous it's okay, no problem. Okay, and number of leaves is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2, and cumulative frequency 3 plus 5 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 29 plus 5 is 34, plus 4 is 38, plus 2 40. okay, so n by 2, 40 by 2, 40 by 2 is 20. okay, so that means 20 means we'll take, which one we'll take? 20 means we can take here, we can't take 17. okay, because if suppose if we come 18 also cannot take 17, we'll come to next only. So we'll take the classes 144 to 4.5 to 153.5, and frequency is 12, and CF is before 1. okay, CF is 17, and the H, the class size is 126 to 117. so will be how much here? Will be 9. okay, and therefore L is 144.5, and frequency is 12, and CF is 17, and H is, I told you already, subtract. okay, 126 minus 108 17. okay, so if you subtract will come here 9. okay, you should not take from the question here. okay, if you take here 126 to 1 minus 118 means will come only 8 will come. okay, so we are not taking this one, we are after making continuous only. Now you can see 35 minus 26 will come 9. okay, so now we'll apply the formula. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L is 144.5, n by 2 is 20 minus CF is 17. okay, by frequency is 12, into H is 9. So 144.5 plus subtract 20 minus 17 is 3. 3 by 12 into 9. okay, so 3 ones are 3 fours are 12. So 9 by 4. So we'll divide 9 divide by 4. 4 twos are 8, remain 1, 10, 4 twos are 8, remain 2, so 5. okay, so 2.25. so we'll add these two number, we'll get answer. So the answer is 146.75. okay, now for the median length of the leaves is 146.75. write it like that. okay, and now next question number 5. The following tables given the distributions of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. So find the median lifetime of the lamp. Okay, so I just wrote the class here and frequency, and CF will find out here 14 plus 56 70, 70 plus 60, 7 plus 6 13, so 130, 130 plus 86 is 70, 216 plus 74, so 16, 74, 89, so 290 plus 62 means 352. Then if you add, will be 400. Okay, so 400 by 2 is 200. Okay, so we got n by 2 is 200. So 200 means which one will take here? 200 means we'll take here 216. Okay, so the class is 3000 to 3500. Frequency is 86 and CF is before 1, so that is CF. Okay, so the class will write here class equal to 3000 to 3500. That means L is 3000 and frequency 86 and CF is 130 and age is, the difference is 1500 to 2000, so the difference is 500. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we'll get answer. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So 3000 plus n by 2 is how much is that? That is 200. CF is 130 divided by frequency 86 into 500. So 3000 plus 70 into 500 divided by 86. So 3000 plus 7 5 is 35, then put 3 zeros, divide by 86. Okay, so 3000 plus, if you divide these two and add it, we'll get answer. Okay, so if we divide, is coming 406.976 will go like that. So 3000 plus 406.98 will make approximately, so the answer is 3406.98. Okay, so that's over for question number 5. Now question number 6. The 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabet in the surnames was obtained in as follows. Okay, so it's given here number of letters and number of surnames, and they're told to find the median, mean, and also the mode. Okay, so we have to find these three things. Okay, here in this question, so I'll just find out here. First, find out median here. Median, the numbers given. Frequency 630, 40, 16, 4, 4. So 6 plus 30 is 36, plus 30 is 76. It's 92, 96 and 100. Okay, so 100 by 2, it's 50. So 50 means which one will take here? We can't take 36, will come to 76. So frequency L is, therefore the class is 7 to 10. So L is 7. Okay, and frequency is 40 and CF is before 1, will go before, that is CF is 36, and the age is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, and 7 minus 4 3, so the age is 3. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we can get answer. So median equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So here L is 7 plus n by 2 is 50 minus CF is 36 by frequency is 40 into H is 3. Okay, so 7 plus, we'll subtract this 2, it's 14 by 40 into 3. So 7 plus, we can cut here, 7 2s are 22s are, so 7 3s are 21 by 20. Okay, so 7 plus, so 21 divided by 20, so we'll divide it now. So 21 divided 21, also 21, again 1 goes 0, we'll write, and 5 20 is 100, so if you add it, 8.05. Okay, so the median is 8.05. Now we'll find here, next one we'll find out mean. Okay, so mean, find the mean number of the letters. So we can use any method. Okay, you can use a direct method, step deviation, or assume method. You can do any method. Okay, so I'm going to do that method is step deviation. Okay, so here 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. Already I said you can do any method. Okay, so better we'll do step deviation. Okay, so you have to find out the mid value. So mid value already told you, you have to subtract these two. 4 minus 1, 3. 3 divided by 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 will be 1.5. That 1.5 add with all the first number. Okay, so 1 plus 1.5 is 2.5. Again 4 plus 1.5 is 5.5. Okay, 7 plus 1.5 is 8.5. 10 plus 1.5 is 11.5. 13 plus 1.5 is 14.5. Again this one is 17.5. Understood now? The mid value is easy way. You just subtract and divide by 2, and that number add with all the first number. Otherwise, you know, one more method is here. You just add it, like 4 plus 1, 5. 5 divided by 2, 2.5. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 by 2, 5.4. You can do like this also. But the easy one is this one. 4, you first subtract and divide by 2, and that number you add with all the first number. Okay, and frequency 6, 30, 40, 16, 4 and 4. And we'll take A here. 1, 2, 1, 2, and here also 1, 2. So these two number is here. So we'll take the minimum one, small one we'll take. So 8.5 we'll take. So A equal to 8.5. Okay, and H already we know. H means 4 minus 1, 3. Okay, so we can apply here now. Xi is 2.5 minus A is 8.5 divided by 3. Okay, so 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, 8 minus 2 is 6. Minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 3 is minus 2. So it will be minus 2. Okay, again we'll come straightly. You can get minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, if you can just take it out actually. 5.5 minus 8.5 is 3. 3 by 3 is minus 1. Okay, and here 8.5 minus 8.5, and this 0 will come straight. Now we'll multiply. 6 2s are minus 12. 13 to 1 is minus 30. 14 to 0 is 0. 16 ones are 16. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. Okay, so add these two number will be minus 42, and add this 3 number. 16 plus 8 24 and 36. Okay, so sigma fi ui equal to 36 minus 42. So if you subtract, we'll get minus 6. Okay, and mean, this total is sigma fi. Sigma fi total is how much here? Total is 100. Okay, so therefore mean equal to formula A plus sigma fi ui by sigma fi into h. Okay, so A is 8.5 plus this is minus 6 by sigma fi is 100 into h is 3. Okay, so equal to 8.5 minus 6 3s are 18 divided by 100. Okay, so 8.5 minus 18 divided by 100, point will go 2 times, so 0.18. so if you subtract 8.50, 0.18. so if you subtract how much here? 8.32. okay, so 8.32, that's a mean. Now the last one we are going to find mode. Okay, so next mode. Mode means we know we'll take maximum frequency. So this is here you can see maximum frequency is 40. So it's 40, that is f1. So the class is 7 to 10. Okay, so mode means maximum frequency. Frequency 40, therefore the class is 7 to 10. That means L is 7, and f0, f1, f2. Okay, before one is f0, the next one is f2. So 30, 40 and 16. f0, f1, f2, and h is already we know 3. Okay, so now we'll apply the formula and we'll get the answer. So mode equal to L plus f1 minus f0 by 2 f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. Okay, so L is 7 f1 is 40 minus 30 by 2 into 40 minus 30 minus 60 into age is 3. Okay, so 70 plus 10 into 3 divided by 2 into 40 is 80 minus this to subtract, I added 46. Okay, so 7 plus 10 into 3 is 30 by 80 minus 46, 34. So we can cut, I think we can just divide it straightly, so we'll get 0.88, it will go like that. Okay, so just stop it and add this to 7.88. so therefore the mode is 7.88. okay, and now here question number, last question, question number 7. So the distribution below gives the weights of 30 students of your class, find the median. Okay, so same process of last all the questions we did, 40 to 45, so the size is 5, and you find CF and you find out that median. Okay, so this is the homework, you try yourself. Okay, question number 7. So that's over for this exercise 14.3.